Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix TikTok app not active error in simple and easy steps. Step 1. Understand the error. First unlock your iPhone, then open the TikTok app on your iPhone. If you see app not active, your account is temporarily unable or the app won't open properly, this usually means a login network or app issue. Step 2. Check internet connection. Make sure iPhone is connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. Try opening Safari to confirm the internet is working. Step 3. Close and reopen TikTok app. Swipe up and fully close the TikTok app. Wait a few seconds, then reopen it to refresh the app seasons. Step 4. Turn off VPN or proxy. If you are using a VPN or proxy, turn it off. TikTok may block access when it detects unusual network locations. Step 5. Log out and log in again. If possible, go to profile, then settings, then log out, then log back in using your email or phone number. Step 6. Update TikTok app. First go to the App Store, then search for TikTok and install any available updates. An outdated app can cause the app not active error. Step 7. Restart iPhone and try again. Restart your iPhone, then open TikTok again and wait a few seconds. The app should now be active and working normally. And that's how you fix the TikTok app not active error on an iPhone quickly and easily. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.